Made it through the work week, and we saw some beneficial rainfall in our communities from yesterday to Wednesday. We also noticed that chance of showers will linger in the forecast by the afternoon, but it won't be nearly as wet today as what we saw yesterday. So really enjoy the forecast. A nice mild start on this Friday. Temperatures in the 60s and low 70s. You'll notice some cloud cover will continue to move in from time to time off that ocean breeze. That breeze will also continue to keep things comfortable. We'll also have a slight risk of rip currents for you beachgoers today. Now, tomorrow we're expecting to warm up. We're talking highs soaring to the upper 80s, possibly feeling like the low 90s. And then Sunday, we're expecting a better chance of showers back into the forecast. So for today, enjoy temperatures are going to be in the low to mid 80s with a slight chance of a shower off that breeze. Remember that east breeze will make it feel comfortable. By the weekend, though, we are going to notice a south wind tomorrow, and that's going to warm us up. Temperatures in the upper 80s. By Sunday, we will increase that chance of showers. And yesterday, Colorado State University released its first predictions for the 2018 Atlantic hurricane season. They're forecasting 14 named storms. Out of those 14 named storms, 7 hurricanes. Out of those 7 hurricanes, 3 major hurricanes. Now, this is an above average forecast. And remember, we have at least 2 more forecasts. We have to wait for NOAA as well. But I do want you to see that compared to last year, we had 18 named storms. Out of those 18, 10 were hurricanes and 6 major hurricanes last year. Last year was a very rough year for us. We were hoping for things to be different this year. And remember, I just want to remind you, as Max Mayfield would say, it only takes one. Make it a great weekend.